So here we have the Gear Wrench 55-piece ratchet and bit driver set. Pretty cool set. Pretty nice ratchet. It's got a real long one that is 12 inches long. And then we have a 6-inch. Also, they have swiveling heads. Then you could also lock it. Sockets are from 3/16 to 9/16 in standard, 4mm to 13mm in metric. Then you have the Torx bits, nice little set, extension. Part number is 81039 gear wrench. Can't wait to use it. See how it is at work. Comes in handy for the tight areas. You know, it's pretty nice. Looks well built. See how it is. 72 tooth ratchet head. Should be pretty good.